For many Loves Park homeowners, comfort isn't just about temperature, it's about feeling secure, relaxed, and at ease in every room of the house. While insulation, windows, and HVAC systems often get the spotlight, door installation plays an equally important role in maintaining indoor comfort. Even the highest quality door can underperform if it isn't installed correctly. That's where professional door installation makes a noticeable difference. Here's how expert installation enhances comfort for homes throughout Loves Park. Eliminating drafts that disrupt indoor comfort. One of the most common comfort issues homeowners face is drafts near entryways. Poorly installed doors can leave small gaps around the frame that allow cold air in during winter and hot air in during summer. Professional installers ensure doors are perfectly aligned. Seal gaps with proper insulation and weather stripping prevent uneven pressure around the frame. The result is a noticeable reduction in drafts and more consistent indoor temperatures throughout the home. Maintaining stable temperatures year-round. Loves Park experiences both cold winters and warm summers, making temperature control essential. Professionally installed doors help maintain a stable indoor environment by minimizing heat transfer. This leads to warmer interiors during winter, cooler spaces during summer, less strain on heating and cooling systems. Consistent temperatures mean improved comfort in every season. Improving energy efficiency for everyday living. Comfort and energy efficiency go hand in hand. When a door is installed correctly, it prevents air leaks that force HVAC systems to work harder. Professional installation helps reduce heating and cooling loss, lower monthly energy bills, improve overall home efficiency. These benefits add up to both physical comfort and financial savings. Enhancing noise reduction inside the home. Outdoor noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby activity can easily enter through poorly installed doors. Proper installation ensures tight seals that limit sound transfer. Homeowners often notice quieter entryways, reduced outside noise intrusion. A calmer indoor atmosphere. Noise reduction contributes to better relaxation, focus, and sleep quality. Preventing moisture and weather intrusion. Loves Park's seasonal weather includes rain, snow, and fluctuating temperatures. Improper door installation can allow moisture to seep into the home, leading to discomfort and long-term damage. Professional installers use proper flashing and sealing techniques to ensure tight closure against weather exposure. Protect interior spaces from moisture intrusion. This keeps indoor environments dry and comfortable year-round. Supporting smooth and reliable door operation. A door that sticks, scrapes, or doesn't close properly can be frustrating and inconvenient. These issues often stem from poor installation rather than the door itself. Professional installation ensures smooth opening and closing, proper alignment of hinges and locks, reliable performance over time. Effortless operation adds to everyday comfort and usability. Increasing security without sacrificing comfort. Feeling secure at home contributes significantly to comfort. Professionally installed doors fit tightly within the frame, eliminating weak points. This provides better lock alignment, reduced movement within the frame, greater peace of mind for homeowners. Security and comfort work together to create a welcoming home environment. Protecting the door's long-term performance. Doors exposed to seasonal changes need proper installation to prevent warping, shifting, or premature wear. Professional installers ensure correct support and anchoring, long-lasting seals, continued performance through temperature changes. This helps doors maintain comfort-enhancing features for years. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Many door warranties require professional installation. Improper installation can void coverage and lead to unexpected costs. Professional installation meets manufacturer guidelines, protects warranty coverage, safeguards your investment. Comfort starts at the door. Across Loves Park, professional door installation plays a crucial role in enhancing home comfort. From eliminating drafts and reducing noise to maintaining consistent temperatures and preventing moisture intrusion, expert installation ensures doors perform as intended. For homeowners seeking a more comfortable, efficient, and peaceful living space, professional door installation isn't just a finishing touch. It's a foundational upgrade that delivers lasting comfort from the moment you step inside.